Doll, please.
Hello, welcome back to my channel again. Today we're opening Shanelle Onyx, another member of Shadow High. I honestly cannot get enough of Shadow High. I think with series 4 in Shadow High, they like bumped up even the Rainbow Vision stuff that they're doing. It's like next level. I'm glad that I'm jumping onto this bandwagon now with these toys because I just bet like the future is going to be even more and more amazing. Anyway, we have Miss Shanelle. We have the back of the box with all of the characters on it. So here we have her stand. Hers is a black with glitter. We're gonna snip her out of here and then take a look at her second outfit. So here we have Miss Shanelle. She has like a glittery shine to her face, which I really love. Very dark, almost like purple lipstick and very cool eye makeup on. Some nice little dangly earrings. Her hair is long and black with like a silver stripe through it. Very cute bow on the top of her head with a diamond. She has this really cool layered dress on, Shadow High belt. She comes with a little diamond bracelet and very cute lace socks with some heels on. They have like a little bit of fuzz at the toe. She's just like so beautiful. We're gonna wash her hair probably, brush it, get this little dent out of it. Let's break open her second outfit and take a look. So the first piece is this tube top, corset, spaghetti strap, whatever you call it thing. I think that her outfit's supposed to be like leather with studs on it, but they're in a really cool pattern. The next piece is a skirt with some houndstooth, I believe is the name of the pattern, in black leather on the top and bottom. This is the same silhouette as Natasha's second outfit, so I'm kind of wondering if all of the Shadow High characters are going to have the same silhouette. I haven't really looked at the other outfits for the other girls, just these two, so I'm interested to see more. But where Natasha had that big long fur coat, she has a leather jacket crop top with these really puffy sleeves. I like that her outfit's so like puffy and has a lot of volume to it. Here are her second pair of shoes, and these ones are just some cute little heels with an ankle strap around them and some black diamonds on the front. Let me know what y'all think of Miss Shanelle down in the comments. Let me know if you have her in your collection. Stay tuned for some fashion shots, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.